Hello children, today I am going to start the new chapter of computer. Chapter name is keyboard. In this chapter you are going to learn that what is keyboard, what is the use of keyboard, how many keys are there in keyboard. So now let's start the chapter. Children, as you need a pencil to write on paper, similarly a keyboard is required to write on a computer screen. A keyboard has a number of small buttons on it called keys. You can write a text on a computer by pressing these keys. Writing with the help of keyboard is called typing. So children, as you need a pencil to write on paper, similarly you need a keyboard to write on a computer. And the keyboard has many small buttons on it called keys. You can see this is the picture of a keyboard and it has many small buttons. So these small buttons called keys. Suppose you want to write your name on a computer. So for this you need a keyboard to write your name on the computer. And what is called typing, children? Writing with the help of keyboard is called typing. Keys on the keyboard. Now let's get familiar with the keys on the keyboard. A normal keyboard has 101 to 105 keys on it. These keys are divided into mainly 4 categories: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, function keys. Children, we have seen that so many keys are present on the keyboard. So a normal keyboard has 101 to 105 keys on it. And the keys of the keyboard are mainly divided into 4 categories. What are these 4 categories? The 4 categories are: first one is alphabet keys, second one is number keys, third one is special keys, and the fourth one is function keys. Now, what is alphabet keys? The alphabets from A to Z are alphabet keys. What is number key? The digits from 0 to 9 are number keys. What is special keys? Some keys like enter key, spacebar key, backspace, caps lock, these are the some special keys. What is function key? The keys from F1 to F12 are function keys, and here F stands for function. You can see in the picture also, see the alphabets from A to Z are alphabet keys. The keys from F1 to F12 are function keys. The digits from 0 to 9 are number keys. And the caps lock, space bar, backspace, enter key are special keys. And you can see here that in the keyboard there are 2 enter keys. First one is here and the second one is here. So in the keyboard there are 2 enter keys are there. Alphabet keys. The keys from A to Z are called alphabet keys. So what is alphabet key, children? The keys from A to Z are called alphabet keys. And children, can you tell me that how many alphabet keys are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26. So there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. And what is the use of alphabet key? The use of alphabet key is that when you want to type any words or sentences on the computer, with the help of alphabet keys you can type it. For example, if you want to type keyboard, then you will have to press the following keys. So suppose if you want to type the word keyboard on computer, then you will press the letters K, E, Y, B, O, A, R, D on the keyboard, and it will be displayed on the monitor screen. Number keys. The keys from 0 to 9 are called number keys. Now what is number key, children? The keys from 0 to 9 are called number keys. And how many number keys are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 number keys on the keyboard from 0 to 9. Now what is the use of number key? You can do your maths homework or type numbers, table, telephone number, etc. with the help of these number keys. So the use of number key is that if you want to type any numbers, you want to do your maths homework, you want to do any calculation, with the help of these number keys you can do it. For example, you want to type 280, then how you will do it? You will press the number key 280 on the keyboard and it will be displayed on the monitor screen. Special keys, spacebar key. Children, you can see this is the picture of a spacebar key, and can you tell me which is the longest key on the keyboard? The answer is spacebar key. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. And what is the work of spacebar key? Spacebar key is used to give a blank space to the right of the character. For example, if you want to write a sentence, I love my country, and you want to give the space between the words. So how you will do this? Using the spacebar key, you can give the gap between the words. As you can see here, that here some gaps are given between the words. So this is done using the spacebar key. First, you will press the letter I, then press spacebar key, then write the word LOV, love, then press spacebar key, then write the word MY, my, then press spacebar key, and then at last write the word COUNTRY, country. After doing this, you will see the gaps or spaces between the sentences. So spacebar key is used to give a blank space to the right of the characters. Enter key. Children, can you tell me that how many enter keys are present on the keyboard? The answer is 2. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. You can see here there are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. And what is the work of enter key? Enter key is used to start from a new line. When you will press the enter key, then it will be start from a new line. So whenever you want to write anything from the new line, then when you will press the enter key, it will be started from the new line. Backspace key. Backspace is just like your eraser. It is used to erase something that is typed wrongly on the computer screen. What is backspace key, children? Backspace key is just like an eraser. Suppose if you are writing something on a paper and by mistake you have written something wrong. So you want to erase it. So by using an eraser, you will erase it on paper. Similarly, if you want to write anything on the computer and by mistake you have written something wrong, so using a backspace key you can erase it. For example, here the sentence I love to study computer is written. instead of study computer you want to write play games. So you have to delete this. So using a backspace key you can erase it. Now how you will do this? So first you have to put the cursor on the last word. Now what is cursor, children? A cursor is a small blinking line. See, this is a cursor and it is displayed on the monitor screen. So first you have to put the cursor on the last word, and after putting the cursor on the last word then you have to press the backspace key. You have to press the backspace key again and again until you want to delete the desired text. After deleting you can now write the word which you want to write. So here in this example we have to erase the study computer, and instead of that we have to write the play games. So after deleting the words then here you can write the word like play games which you want to write it. Okay, so the work of backspace key is that it is used to erase the words which you want to. Function keys. The 12 keys marked F1 to F12 on the top of the keyboard are called the function keys. These keys are used to perform different functions. So what is function key? The keys from F1 to F12 are function keys, and the function keys have a different function. So you can see here the function keys from F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. So there are 12 function keys and each function keys has a different function. So children, what we have learned in this chapter? In this chapter we learned that keyboard is used for typing text on the computer and it has many small buttons called as keys. A normal keyboard has 102 to 105 keys on it, and the keys of keyboard have 4 categories: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and function keys, and each keys of a keyboard has a different function. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you children.